CIBC Mellon is the leading asset servicing provider in Canada. We have over $3 trillion in assets under administration. We supply asset servicing solutions, so custody, fund accounting, benefit payments, record-keeping services to Canadian clients. So CIBC Mellon is the leader in asset servicing in Canada. Our goal is to stay in that leadership position. Our industry has come from being a very slow-moving to being a rapidly evolving, very dynamic part of the financial landscape. We need to be able to continually adapt, continually be looking to the future to be able to deliver excellence to our clients that's going to keep us in that leadership position.
Strategic goals are pretty straightforward for the organization, and they really go across three main pillars. One is being more for our clients. Two is running our company better. And three is around product and digital enablement. It's really how we're coming together as an organization and bringing those three pillars together to deliver for our clients, but also deliver for our employees and for the financial services market here in Canada.
Well, we were really at, I think, a turning point. So we grew very quickly with clients that were different than the clients that we had historically had. Clients that really challenged us to need to deliver, a broader suite of capabilities. We just felt that we were lacking some of the data to sustain that growth and continue to grow in the future.
We didn't really have a standard, which made things really challenging when we're trying to evaluate any of our processes and look for efficiencies.
And so it's a bit like trying to fly a jumbo jet, and the instrument panel is telling you, well, this is where you were a couple of hours ago. In an increasingly complex environment, that's something that we need to address. We need timely, accurate information that tells us what our operations teams are doing, where we're going, and how we're going to adjust accordingly. And partnering with ActiveOps was the first step in how we become a more data-empowered organization.
My mandate as COO is really about transformation. It's really about transforming the organization that we have now to ensure that we can continue to grow and thrive, for the next 30 years. I think that what we've seen from the data that we've been able to leverage from our relationship with ActiveOps is that it highlights those areas where we might have had a gut feeling that we suspected that something was amiss, and it empowers us to not shy away from that, to address that head on. The data that we've been able to leverage from ActiveOps has informed the decisions that we've made, or where we've started with the transformation journey. And we've been able to, through that work, we've seen our productivity increase while our overtime hours and our utilization has gone down.
One of the major results we've seen was 70% decrease in excess work / overtime. So that really led to a better work-life balance for everyone.
I think the other element of it is it's the cultural shift. You're seeing people excited about leveraging these tools and leveraging the data insights and how to continuously improve. Because in our business, when you're running an organization, continuous improvement is a foundational element of what we need to be striving to. And I think the ActiveOps tools has allowed us to really build that foundation into our business models.
We're going through additional transformation right now, and ActiveOps has been able to provide us with our baseline data, and it's going to be our main tracking mechanism to see and measure our successes as we go. It's been invaluable to have that data. We're going into meetings and we're making big decisions based on the information that's coming out of ActiveOps. If we don't have this data, we don't have numbers to back up the decisions that we're making.
ActiveOps has given me the data that I need to be able to really understand our capacity, our capabilities. We just didn't have the clarity that we needed. We didn't have the capacity. It's generated that capacity for us. And it's given us the confidence to know that the decisions that we're making are the right decisions because we're seeing that translated into the data. think we're going to continue to adapt, and we're going to continue to refine